Hey guys! What's up? It's your girl Cheska and welcome to my channel! I am so excited to be back here filming... Biglang umulan. Great! Anyway, this is going to be a makeup challenge. A challenge where I am allowed to use just one makeup product. You heard it right. Isa lang ang pwede kong gamitin at hindi pwedeng gumamit ng palettes. You know what I mean? Yung mga eyeshadow, cream, palettes. Basta, yun na yun. Marami na din beauty vloggers ang gumawa nito. So, I think it's my turn. Better late than never. So, without further ado, if you would like to know kung anong makeup product ang napili ko at kung anong look ang magagawa ko, keep on watching and let's get started! Ayan, so I am bare-faced. I don't have anything aside from skincare. Ang napili kong product ay galing sa Avon. I'm sure we're all familiar, girls and boys. This is from their Mark collection. Epic Lip Lipstick in the shade E20, which is Chocolate Treat. Ang arte ko. So, ito siya. Ayan, dark, as you can see. We're gonna try to make this work. And yung reason kung bakit dark yung pinili ko is because of my brows. I mean, importante para sa akin ang kilay. So, yeah. Gusto ko bold eyebrows or medyo makapal. Feeling ko nakakabata. Anyway, ayan. I'm going to start with my lips, of course. And then, just dab this all over. Ayoko ng masyadong dark lips. So, yeah. Sana nakafocus, diba? Anyway. So, ayan na yung lips. Pretty much. And then, magko-contour ako or bronze for that healthy glow dahil wala tayong pang blush. And again, ingat-ingat dahil dark to. And of course, yung ating nose contour. Bawal magkamali. Ayan. So, kung weird yung itsura niya, hayaan nyo na. We'll fix that. Don't worry. And we're gonna blend it using fingers lang. So, you see, meron na siyang kulay. It's not that flat looking. Ano ba? Ano ba tawag nun? Basta, hindi siya pale. Tignan. Para na din siyang blush. O, diba? Medyo mahirap sa ilong kasi again, blending is key. Dahil wala tayong concealer or foundation na pwedeng gamitin, kailangan natin mag-blend. Blend mo yan, girl. So, okay na siya, I think. Ngayon naman, ito na. Moment of truth. Pangkilay. Tulis naman, girl! Ayan. Ayan, di ba? May kilay na. Okay na yan. Ito naman. So, if you guys are wondering kung ano nga ba ang nangyari kay Neneng B, well, I decided to focus on work and personal life. Pahinga lang. And here I am again. Anyway. Pantayin natin. Okay, so, ayan na siya. Magdadagdag lang ako ng konting blush. Konti lang. And then, yung eye color. Or eyeshadow. Ayan. So, again. There. And then, sa mata, okay. So, that's pretty much the look. Okay. I'm just going to curl my lashes para naman, 'di ba? And so ito na siya. That completes my one product makeup challenge. I am fine going out with this look. I mean, for an everyday, natural, fresh kind of look. Ayan. Umaagree sa akin ng kulog. No foundation, just one product makeup talaga. Asan yun? Ayan. Just this one. I had fun and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos every week. And I am challenging my Bisprin, Shad Salminao, my Beshi Cake, Clint Ganzan, and of course, my girl, Vlogs by Sharon. And a big shout out to all my YT friends. I miss you all. And I'm so happy that you guys still care for me. I mean, kinakamusta nyo pa rin ako. Well, I have my reasons po, but I hope you will still support me. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!